Hello everybody, Farhad here. I hope you watched all my training videos and in front of you I did all the things. I created a new Clickbank account and you have seen picking up a offer over my shoulder. Alright, first I created a marketing. Here is my marketing plan and as you can see I did all the steps and you have seen me finishing these steps. I was running a campaign in AdWords and I already made a deal with a Facebook group owner and he will approve my post on the next Monday and hopefully I will get some traffic from there. But the campaign in AdWords, you can see it already gave me 959 views and I got some clicks as well as some leads too. Finally, I made a sale on clickbank.com. Here you can see 17.99 US dollar. It's a very small amount of money, but I'm still so happy because my hard work finally paid me in some money. You know, I cost only around 10 US dollar in AdWords and some hard work creating the sales funnel and video reviews. But it's not a matter because sales is started coming and hopefully I will get some more sales and I will run retargeting ads and once I spend around 50 bucks on AdWords and manage at least 5k views. You see I only got 959 views, so it's a very small amount of data. I need to manage at least 5,000 views, then I will run retargeting ads, so it will need some more time to get traffic from AdWords and hopefully from the Facebook group too, and then I will run the retargeting ads campaign. All right, also I will check how many clicks I get, how many sales I get from Facebook paid group ads. If it goes fine, I will keep continue investing. When you make return, it's no more problem to reinvest. Now here are some final tips from me. If you are dead serious making money online, then never watch any more tutorial on YouTube or anywhere. But this time please take action. There are three key steps to get success. Number one is take action. Number two is take action. Number three is take action. Because when you start working, you will find your own gold nuggets. You don't need to beg to anyone for any more help. You find all the information. Now, when you start working, you will also find the winning ad campaign. Then just pay for traffic, sit back and relax and withdraw the money from your affiliate network like Clickbank or any other affiliate networks, because the rules are the same for any products, any marketplace. Make sure you start with slow ad budget and then go for big. If you still need any personal help, then you can contact me. I have left my email address in the description box. Make sure you tell me you watched all the videos in the beginning of the email, then write down your problem and send me the email. I can help you personally setting up your campaigns, creating your sales funnel and give you more personal training. And of course, this is not for free. Definitely I will charge you for that, but I'm happy to reply for any short-term problems. So that's it for today, and this is the last video of how to get your first Clickbank affiliate sale course. So thank you very much for watching this video training series, and bye for today, and hopefully I'll come with new more training videos. Thank you very much.